Hi there, have you got a minute? Let's educate, inspire and empower your photography one 60-second photo tip at a time. If you want to instantly draw attention to your subject, try using framing. And no, I don't mean a photo frame. Framing, also known as frame within a frame, is a composition technique where you use elements inside your scene to surround your subject. Think about windows, arches, tree branches. These elements add depth, context, and really work well to guide the viewer's eye exactly where you want it to go. Can you see the difference here? The shot with framing feels more intentional. It's like spotlighting your subject inside the scene, if that makes sense. Keep a lookout for natural frames during your shoots. Doorways, fences, even people's arms, and the more creative the better. Framing isn't just for decoration, it's direction. Try it on your next shoot and watch your photos come to life. And I'd love to know in the comments how you get on. I read every one. Next week, we're going to take a look at filling the frame, so be sure to come back and check that one out. Meanwhile, why not watch this one next? That was your Focus Bite. I'm Anthony, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.